do I eat on keto? I figured out my macros, but I'm just clueless as what do I eat.
Avocados. You're just going to eat avocados now till the end of time. The easy thing is to find a list, and there's a lot of lists on the internet where you can go and find what are the approved things to eat on keto, what are the things to stay away from. We have our own in our keto planner. Are you showing the right page? Oh yeah, there's multiple pages, right? Yep. So vegetables, meats, everything essentially.
30-day keto planner. You can get a digital download. You can order a print copy. The first thing you can do is go through the food list and just cross off, get a Sharpie, just cross off the foods you don't like. Then you've got a whole list of exactly what you do like to eat. And that's where I encourage people to start, because keto can be really difficult or it can be really easy. Like keto can be done very easily and not cook at all. Our lunch today, we didn't cook a thing.
Well, I don't even remember lunch.
I had some cheese, I had some pecans, and a few pickles. Is that right?
Yeah.
And a sparkling water treat.
That's pretty sad.
You had some macadamias.
Oh, I had chili. I had batch cooked chili, and I've got a bunch froze, and I just made some chili. Yeah. Had some cheese and sour cream on it. Done and done.
Yeah. So he had something cooked. I had something that was just easy that I didn't have to think about, and then I'm done.
Yeah.
So what can you eat on keto? I mean, there's so many options. There's so many recipes. You can find tons of recipes on my website, wholebodyliving.com. You can get ideas out of the planner. There's, what to eat? Delicious food. Things like bacon. Things like eggs, cheese, nuts. There's a lot you can eat.